central government is planning to establish 100 industrial hubs so that any manufacturer can plug in and carry on the manufacturing activities in that industrial hub. Let us discuss about this topic of industrial hubs to be undertaken, to be established by the central government. For this purpose, the government has allotted rupees 13,660 crores for promoting 100 industrial hubs where the manufacturers can undertake activity, plug and play industrial parks to boost manufacturing, generate about 15 lakhs direct jobs. Boost to manufacturing sector means boost to job creation. For this purpose, why the central government is taking this step to establish 100 industrial hubs means there is a possibility that the entrepreneurs' investment may dry up, because of acquiring land, undertaking construction of factory sheds and infrastructure facilities, and that will reduce the investment, that will reduce the working capital availability, and also the funds with entrepreneurs may be dried. So to make the situation comfortable to entrepreneurs to plug and operate in manufacturing sector, the central government is proposing to establish 100 industrial hubs for plug and play parks across the country. And these industrial hubs will be developed with world-class industrial infrastructure, unlocking manufacturing potential and driving India's growth story. Means all these industrial parks will be having all facilities of sheds, electricity, drainage, water, and essential infrastructure for a manufacturing activity will be provided, and so that the manufacturer come and establish their machinery and plug and operate their activities. That will reduce the investment burden of entrepreneurs, and that will make the entrepreneurs to operate with small investment and with less time, and that will reduce their financial burden on the entrepreneurs. Also, the central government has sanctioned rupees 2,585 crores for small hydro power development scheme. This will support cotton farmers and a national highway project. So, for this purpose, the central government is undertaking a project name called BHAVYA, Bharat Audyogik Vikas Yojana. This is the name of the project, this is the name of the scheme where the central government will undertake to establish 100 industrial hubs to spread over. The industrial hubs will be spread over from 100 to 1,000 acres depending upon the place and availability of the lands. With the central assistance, the central government will assist at least 1 crore per acre. Means if the project is 100 acres, the central government will invest 100 crores. If the project is 500 crores, the central government will invest 500 crores. If the project is 1,000 crores, the central government will invest 1,000 crores for establishing these projects. And the states also across the country will compete for the scheme, and the conditions will be specified later. Means the conditions and standards to be maintained with the industrial hub will be prescribed later. All this project will be undertaken by the Department of Promotion and Industry, Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, that is DPIIT, will undertake the establishment of these 100 proposed industrial hubs. The industrial hub will cover funding support for core value-added infrastructure, social infra such as housing, and up to rupees 50 parks will be taken up in the first phase. The minimum land required for undertaking this industrial hub to be 100 acres for mainland states and 25 acres in hilly northeastern states. For this purpose, the land to be allocated should be without litigation and with encumbrance. The special purpose vehicle will be established to undertake this project scheme under Bhavya to establish 100 industrial hubs. A special purpose vehicle with planning and development powers, a single window clearances is a mandatory eligibility criteria in the scheme. For this purpose, the central government is also proposing to allot 2,585 crores for small hydropower development scheme to generate 1,500 megawatts of renewable energy and river system and run of river systems without large dams. Means this small hydro development plant will perform with run of river systems without large dams, minimizing the displacement and environmental impact. The central government is uh, estimate to generate 21,000 megawatts across 77,133 sites, of which 5,100 megawatts across 1,106 is already operational. This capacity may be from 1 megawatt to 25 megawatts. Northeastern states and in districts, the financial assistance will be given at rupees 3.6 crore per each megawatt, or 30% of the project cost, whichever is with an upper limit of rupees 30 crores. Means for this hydro power plant, the central government will invest. The central government support financial assistance up to 3.6 crores per each megawatt, or 30% of the cost of the project, or rupees 30 crores, whichever is the highest, whichever is the lower, whichever is the higher. For this, the northern states has to undertake the projects. For this projects, the central government will support 2.5 crore for each megawatt, or 30% of the projects, or whichever is lower. For this purpose, the scheme, industrial hubs project under Bhavya scheme, the central government is proposing to build a 100 kilometers of four-lane controlled stretch as National Highway 927. So all this will be under the project Bhavya, under the scheme Bhavya, to establish 100 industrial hubs all over India. For this, the central government is allotting 33,000 crores for establishment of 100 industrial hubs, to where the manufacturers can start their operation by with plug and operate basis. The main advantage of this Bhavya scheme is the entrepreneurs are with maybe with small people with small financial resources may undertake the manufacturing activity without uh, without spending more on land acquisition, construction, infrastructure. So nearly their investment will come down nearly more than say 50 to 60%, and the entrepreneurs can concentrate on acquiring required machinery and technology to start plug and operate in industrial hubs. This will give boost to manufacturing sector, and nearly 15 lakhs uh, jobs will be created by establishing this 100 industrial hubs under Bhavya scheme.